Today I'm going to do a little review of what my online card club is. I know many of you have been asking me about it, and so from time to time I want to just share a little sneak preview of what is included in it so you have a better idea. Now the reason I started these is because I live in Arizona and I mainly did in-person classes, but some people, actually a lot of people that are out of town can't get in on these, and so that's when I started this online card club. And this is a way that if you don't live near me and can't come to my house, then I can share my designs and creativity with you, and then you can do them in the convenience of your own home, and I will send you a kit, and then you get the PDF instructions and you can make some fun things and not have to go through as much work as that you normally would have to, because everything will be cut out for you. So I will go through the little outline here, and then I'll show you what everyone got for the November kit, and it's all Christmas things, so it's kind of fun. And I'll share with you what the completed projects look like as well. What this is you will get a kit sent to you in the mail from me, and you will get 8 cards and envelopes. There will be 4 different card designs, and you'll get 2 of each. And then I always feature a stamp set or a bundle, so all the projects will be made using this bundle. Now, you do not have to purchase the bundle. If you want, you can just substitute with what you have. But if you would like the bundle, I always discount that, and so that is available as an add-on item each month. You will also get about $20 of Stampin' Up! Products that you will be using to create your projects. And then also there's an extra perk. If you are in my online card club for 6 consecutive months, you will get a $25 value of more Stampin' Up! Products. And this just talks about that the bundle is not included in the kit. And this kit is $38, and you guys, this includes shipping as well. So how you join is you just sign up by the 10th of each month so that you get that month's class. Now you only have to sign up once, and then it's a recurring payment that will come from your PayPal account. You can use a credit card in PayPal as well, and then you can stop it whenever you want, and you just have to go in and cancel your PayPal, and it will, stop taking that out of your PayPal account. Now, if you sign up after the 10th, you will roll over to the next month. I just really have to have a start and a stop date so that I can order and start cutting the project. So the 10th of the month is when the deadline is. I already told you it's $38. You can join or cancel at any time. Kits will be shipped by the 25th. That's also the date that the PDF tutorials will be emailed by. And then on the 25th, I will also announce the next stamp set bundle that we will be using for the following month. So let's get to the projects that we made for, again, this is November. First, I'll show you the kit in kit form, and then I'll show you the projects that we made. So this is how it comes. You'll get a little package with all your goodies inside. I always put a label on here, and it'll have the month, November 2023, featuring the Sending Cheer bundle. And that way, because I know life happens and sometimes you don't get to these kits as fast as you want, so if you do set it aside, then when you go back to it, you can always say, okay, this was the November one, now let me find the PDF. And if you can't find it, just let me know and I can just resend it to you. All right, so the contents of the kit are different each month. So this is just, again, what I sent for the November kit. Whoops. So this gal, she needed more mini glue dots, and you can add whatever you need. If you're out of glue or anything, any product you need, just let me know and I'll send another PayPal invoice and figure out that. I discount these products a little bit because I'm shipping it in with your kit. And so this lady needed 2 boxes of mini glue dots, so that didn't come with everyone's. That was just an add-on for her. Then this gal, she wanted the bundle, so this is the bundle that was sent in with her kit, the Sending Cheer dies and stamp set. Then they also got the iridescent adhesive back dots. Now these were back ordered for a long time, but because I'm always a month ahead, I was able to get these, so I did not have to go without. So all my kit people got them, while a lot of people had to wait for them to come back into stock. And then also, we used the classic gift card envelopes. These were so much fun. I haven't done anything like this before, and I'll show you what we made with these. And these were just really fun. And this is just half a pack. There are 20 in a whole pack, so everyone got 10, which is plenty. Then you can't really tell what these are, but these are how I package the kits. All the things that you need are going to be inside. You get 2 envelopes, one on the outside that holds everything, and then the envelope on the inside, and 2 of everything. So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the other product they got was everyone got half a pack of, this is actually called Merry, Bold, and Bright Designer Series paper. Isn't this fun? And I've spilled coffee on this, so it's kind of tattered a little bit. I have definitely gotten my use out of this, but I love having this because I can always put the coordinating colors and I don't have to wonder which red is on here, and it just really is helpful. All right, so everyone got a half a pack, and I just literally cut it down the middle, and you'll get the backing and the plastic that it's around. And then we also got 1/2 pack of the Melon Mambo and Granny Apple Green foil sheet. So everyone got a half a pack of those as well, and we use these in the in with the kit. All right, let me grab the projects that we made. The first one we made was this little gingerbread card. The foil sheet simulated a cookie sheet, so that was one of them that they made. The next card we made was this cute little owl card, and I was inspired by Cindy Bauman. I saw her make some little tags, and she made little characters out of the sending cheer dies. They were so cute. So I just took the little elf face and put him behind a gift. I even curled his ear out to make him look a little more elfish. And then when you open it, there's a little surprise in there, and this is one of the ways we use that envelope. We just have it on the front. Actually, in this card, can you see that? How there's a little square in there? And so it pops forward, and then you can just open this. It's kind of held shut by this Santa hat, and then you can put your gift card in there. So that's just a cute little way to present a Christmas gift card. Then the next card that we made is a fun fold. And this one sets up like this. Can you see from that view what it looks like? But from the front, it looks like that. And what's nice about this card is that it will lie flat so that you can send this in the mail. So I just love fun folds, and that's just kind of a unique way to send that card. Then the next card we made is the one using the stocking. And that one just has the little tags used as the focal point. And I usually leave the inside blank. You can put whatever you want in there, but we just decorate the outside usually. Oh, I forgot to show you on this one, you write the sentiment on the back. That's where you can sign that one. All right, then I wanted to also show you, this was not part of the projects that they got, but I did this the week before I sent them just to give them another idea. You may have seen this on my YouTube live, but I just wanted to give them another idea using this bundle. I try to do that in my YouTube lives as it gets closer to when the deadline is, so they can have more ideas. And then when you open that, the little gingerbread kind of pops forward, and there's a little surprise inside. All right, then the last thing I made for them was a bonus PDF. And this does not happen all the time, but at Christmas time, I don't know, I just thought this was a cute idea. And I came upon a project on Pinterest. The gal who made this pattern, her name is Robin Armbrecht, and it was just so cute what she did with it. And I was looking for ideas for how to use those gift card envelopes other than the obvious. So I saw her pattern, and I just kind of followed her video, and it's just so fun. But I redid the outside of it. She used the gingerbread with hers, but I decided to use another one of Cindy's little, it's kind of like punch art, but I guess it's called die art because it's all die cuts. And this is actually the stocking pieces. The heel of the stocking make his mustache. So when you open it, and it's held shut with Velcro, you open it, and then this opens, and you can give 3 different gift cards, and you just pop them in there. So isn't that a cute idea? So everyone that was in my stamp club for online got the pattern to this. So again, that was just a bonus project. This is the first time I've ever done a bonus project in with their PDF. They did not get the pieces to this, but they did get the PDF of how to make this. And then also I wanted to show the versatility of this paper because you don't always have to use it for Christmas. So I also did a birthday one, and this one has a little belly band that slides up and down. And then once you open it, there's the 3 gift cards. I give a lot of gift cards, especially to guys at Christmas that are in my family. And so that way you can give more than one different gift card types to the stores that they like, and it's just kind of fun. So I'll definitely be using these this year. So that's just a glimpse of how my online card club works. I invite you to join me for the next one. Now remember, the deadline is the 10th of every month. So if you want in on the next one, you would want to subscribe by the 10th. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you ordered from my online website. And if you order $50 or more and use the host code, I will send you some Stampin' Up! Product as my way of saying thank you, along with a thank you card. And I just really appreciate your business. Well, you guys take care. Have a wonderful holiday season ahead. And we will see you next Tuesday morning on my YouTube channel. I do my videos on Tuesday mornings at 9 o'clock Arizona time. All right, you take care, and thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.